these pictures. Mohan, Rohan, Sohan, Amit, Rohit. Can you tell me what is common in these pictures? These all are names of male persons. They all are males and they all are nouns. Right? Can you tell me the gender of these nouns? Yes. They all are male gender. Masculine denotes male gender, so they are masculine nouns. Now can you define masculine nouns? A noun is said to be masculine if it refers to a male character or member of a species. Anything which shows or indicates strength, courage, independence, leadership, and assertiveness comes in the masculine noun. Masculine has characteristics that are traditionally thought to be suitable for men. Do you know the gender of the sun? As the sun symbolizes strength, it is assigned the masculine gender. The masculine gender is often applied to lifeless objects known for their strength or associations with violence. Examples include the sun, summer, winter, time, and death, etc. Now, look at these pictures of Reema, Radha, Richa, and Nikita. Can you tell me what is common in these pictures? They all are nouns, right? Can you tell me the gender of these nouns? Good. They are all of the female gender. Feminine nouns refer to women, girls, and female animals. Now, can you define feminine nouns? A noun is said to be in the feminine gender if it refers to a female member of a species. Anything that signifies beauty, gentleness, empathy, sensitivity, caring, sweetness, compassion, tolerance, etc. is considered the feminine gender. What is the gender of the moon? What does the moon signify? It signifies beauty. It is of the feminine gender. The feminine gender is also applied to lifeless objects known for beauty, gentleness, and gracefulness. Examples include the moon, earth, spring, autumn, nature, liberty, justice, peace, mercy, hope, etc. Can you tell whether a pen is male or female? The pen is neither male nor female. Its gender is neither male nor female. It is said to be of the neuter gender. What is a neuter gender noun? Nouns that are neither male nor female are said to be of the neuter gender noun. A few examples of neuter gender nouns are pen, pencil, books, computers, television, etc. Look at this sentence. An 8-year-old child came to meet you. Can we identify the gender of the child from the sentence? No. We cannot determine the gender by the word child. If the statement were like this, an 8-year-old boy came to meet you, the word boy would represent the male gender. If it were girl in place of boy, then it would represent the female gender. However, when we say a child, it can be either male or female. What kind of gender does the word child represent? It represents a common gender. A noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. Examples of common gender include parent, child, friend, pupil, servant, thief, cousin, person, student, baby, neighbor, infant, etc. Now that you understand the concept of masculine gender nouns, feminine gender nouns, neuter gender nouns, and common gender nouns, let me ask you a few questions related to this. Tell me, what will be the gender of the spring season? as it indicates beauty. It will be of feminine gender. Okay, now tell me, what is the gender of summer? It indicates harshness or strength. So we will consider it masculine. What is the gender of a teacher? A teacher can be either male or female. So we will categorize it under common gender. TV? TV is neither male nor female. So we will categorize it under neuter gender. Thank you.